Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download your Behance videos. For instance, if your hard drive has failed and you don't have any backups, but your videos are still uploaded to your Behance projects, you can still recover them. Click on the specific project that contains the video you want to download. Once the project page opens, you'll see the embedded video displayed on the screen. To download this video, right-click directly on the video. Select the option called View Frame Source. This will open a new tab showing the source code behind that video frame. In this tab, scroll down and look for a line that starts with the word source. Next to this, you'll find a direct URL link pointing to the video file. Simply click on that link and a download will automatically start. After the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder on your device. Locate the video file and open it to verify. You'll see that the video plays as expected. It's the same one from your Behance project, and that's how you can download your Behance videos. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.